Did Kanye West just lose all of his teeth? Well, I'm Dr. Mo and I'm a dentist, and let's find out. Numerous publications and news outlets have claimed that Kanye West lost all of his teeth and replaced them by one of the most, if not the most expensive prosthetic that have ever been in the world of dentistry. And I will show its picture, and it's estimated to be around $850,000 just for these prostheses. However, there is a comment from the dentist who did these process, and he says that no, the teeth were not completely removed. There was a specific design for these process, and they're called a fixed process, meaning they're going to be fixed to the teeth. And with regard